In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Novo branches and ATMs near you step by step. Whether you're new to Novo or just need a quick guide, we're going to make sure you know exactly where to locate ATMs linked to your Novo account. Let's dive right into it. First things first, begin by heading over to Novo's official website. This is your starting point and the hub for all the information you need. Once you've opened the website, you should see a clear and easy to use layout. Now, with the website in front of you, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. Next, look for the section titled Help Center. This is usually found on the top of the home page, often in a menu or as a direct link. Click on this to proceed to the area where you can get support or find specific information about Novo services. The Help Center is your go-to for questions and supporting details about anything Novo related. Once you are in the Help Center, you will see a search box prominently displayed. This is a valuable tool because it lets you directly input queries and find precise answers. Here, type the word ATM into the search box and hit enter. Doing this will pull up all relevant articles and guides related to ATMs, ensuring you can access the information you're seeking without sifting through unrelated content. After searching, you will likely see an option stating, "Where are your sponsor bank's ATMs?" Click on this link to be directed to the precise topic of interest. This will give you more insight into the locations associated with Novo's sponsor bank. When you click this option, you'll discover that Novo collaborates with Middlesex Federal Savings, which has a network of ATMs primarily located around Medford and Somerville in Massachusetts. However, here's something crucial to note. Novo allows you to use your debit card at any ATM, not just the ones operated by Middlesex Federal Savings. One of the most user-friendly aspects of Novo is their policy on ATM fees. Novo does not impose its own fees when you withdraw money from an ATM. Moreover, they offer a reimbursement option for any ATM operator fees you might be charged at the ATM. This can be incredibly convenient and help you save a bit of money each time you need to withdraw cash. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently locate ATMs aligned with Novo and learn about the bank's customer-friendly fee policies. Whether you're a longtime user or someone who's recently joined the Novo community, these resources are designed to simplify your banking experience.